Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. This is an example question of improper fractions of case 3. This question is from March 16, paper 3-2, question 9. An important advice: be kind. In improper fractions, we find value of this constant by comparing the coefficient method and the values of remaining constants by substitution method. For substitution, we need values of x from the given factors. So from this factor, we are getting x0. From quadratic, we are not getting any value. So we can suppose two values, x1 and x minus 1, because we have three unknown constants for substitution method. Now, by multiplying both sides of this equation with this denominator, we have 3x cubed plus 6x minus 8 on left side. On right side, we have a times x square plus 2. Then b times x square plus 2, and c times cx plus d times x. Now first multiply a with this x square, ax with x square, to get the coefficient of x cube on right side, and then compare that coefficient with this coefficient. So 3x cube, I'm comparing the terms right now, ax cube. So by comparing the coefficients of x cube on both sides, we have a3. Now let's substitute x0. So when we will substitute x0 into this equation, we'll get minus 8 on left side, and this will become 0, this will also become 0. So we will get 2b. Therefore, b is minus 4. Now let's substitute x1 into this equation. Let x be 1. So we have 3 plus 6 minus 8 on left hand side. A was 3 times 3, and b is minus 4 times 3. C times 1 makes c plus d times 1, so c plus d. Now this will become 1 and this will become minus 3, c plus d. So c plus d is positive 4, sorry. Now let's substitute x minus 1. So minus 3, minus 6, minus 8 on left side. On right side, we have 3, a is 3, x is minus 1. So minus 3 and bracket, inside bracket 3. b is minus 4 and 3 is inside the bracket. Then minus c plus d and minus 1. So we have minus 17 on left side. This is negative 9, this is negative 12, and this is minus c plus d. So we have minus 21 here and minus 17 here plus C minus D. So we have C minus D is equal to 4. And the previous equation was C plus D is equal to 4. So by solving these two equations simultaneously, we'll get the value of C, which is 4. So, and D is 0. So A is 3, B is minus 4, C is 4, and D is 0. Now substitute all these values into equation 1. This is equation 1. So A is 3, B is negative 4, and C is 4, and D is 0. So this is the required partial fraction of this fraction. Hope this lecture will help you to understand how to solve improper fractions of case 3 when there is a linear and quadratic factor. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.